Nail art is an artistic endeavor accessible to all, where every manicure is a work of art waiting to be created. Nail art has transformed from a simple grooming habit to a fantastic form of self-expression. Nail art designs allows individuals to express their personality, style, and creativity. They can beyond their appearance. Nail designs hold great value in our daily lives, contributing to our self confidence, uniqueness, and overall personality. Nail art offers a chance to break free from the ordinary and express the individuality, which can boost your confidence and make you feel empowered. Nail art designs provide a canvas for artistic expression. You can experiment with colors, textures, and gradients, etc. First, we'll dive into the range of colors, tools, and techniques available in the market. You can choose the canvas for creative ideas and putting them on your nails. In this video, we'll explore a diverse collection of designs spanning various styles and inspirations. Whether you are a seasoned nail art enthusiast or a beginner looking to elevate your personal design and style on your nails. At first, we'll talk about abstract artistry. Abstract nail art allows the mind to explore creativity freely. With bold and vivid colors, you can create unique patterns, lines, and shapes on your nails. There are no rigid rules to confine your imagination in this art form. Simply pick up your brush and let your instincts guide you, resulting in a one of a kind masterpiece. Secondly, blooming blooms. Bring the beauty of nature to your fingertips.